Whatever iPhone you have in the world, it's an iPhone. Whether you are using a Pro Max, or any version of Siri on the iPhone Plus, if you have an iPhone and you swipe up, you will access the desired feature. And you've forgotten your passcode, then you must try this method. First, you need to go to the emergency options, and after going there, you need to enter this code that I'm providing. Look carefully, this code is something like this. Now, after entering the code below, right here, there's an option for calling. You need to call this. See, after making the call, a message like this will appear. Look, after the call, a message like this will come up here. As soon as this message appears, you need to dismiss it here. Then you need to do what? Call again. After calling, the same message appears. Dismiss it once and call again. Dismiss it, call again once more and dismiss it. You need to try this method 3 to 4 times. Now, once you've tried this method, what do? Here you cancel. That's all you need to do. And then when you see the magic, you'll believe it when we swipe up our phone in this way. And then our phone will be 100% unlocked and it will not ask for a passcode. It will not ask for anything. In this way, you can separate any of your iPhones without a passcode. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any problems, definitely do not forget to comment. Thanks for watching.